Welcome to ExcluService. My name is Stefan Grabina. I have owned the company since January of 2013, but I started working here in 2004. ExcluService is here to take care of our customers' transportation needs. We do that by providing an exceptional service experience for our clients with transparency and integrity. So we specialize in European cars, and so we work on anything from German cars to British cars to Italian cars. We also happen to work on Teslas. And our philosophy here at ExcluService is really to take care of the people, whether it's taking care of our employees or taking care of our customers. Whenever a new customer comes in, we work very hard to make them feel like family. And one of the ways we can demonstrate that is by giving them a shop tour, by showing them us, meeting the team, understanding how we work. Our team members know that the details are what set us apart. And that shows through our intimate knowledge of the vehicles we service and our unwavering commitment to producing quality results. We look forward to showing you how amazing an experience it is to bring your car into ExcluService, just like so many other customers have been coming to us for over 40 years.